Hello guys. So if you're looking to find longitude and latitude of a Google coordinate, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. For doing that, just simply open the application. Then, for example, I'm not going to choose any prominent location because it's very easy to get the longitude and latitude of that particular location. So for this tutorial, I'm going to choose completely a blank space. Let's say somewhere over here. So just simply scroll down. So this is a pretty blank space. So all you have to do is just simply create a pin by holding on your screen, and a pin will appear, which is marked as dropped pin over here, as you can see. So all you have to do is just simply drag this portion above like this, and you will find a longitude and latitude over here in the details panel at the bottom part. So all you have to do is just simply hold on it and it will be copied, as you can see over here, coordinate copied to clipboard. So that's how you can get a longitude and latitude of a particular location. Now let's just say if you have only longitude and latitude location of a particular area and you don't know where that area is, so all you have to do is just simply click on the search icon over here, and if you have the longitude latitude of that particular location, so just simply paste that over here, then hit the search icon and it will directly take you to that location. So as you can see, this is the location that we had the longitude and latitude of. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.